Oh yes, which now the cold is getting a bit better now. We're gonna start with our new ones, but we got these ones. I don't know about ice cream, but we got a very new sport ever. Mega Bite. And we need to go to shop and get some boards. And we did this, so now the red rewards is gonna be done. And now we can start. Who's first? You. No, Jet. Come on, Jet. The best car in the world. Finally. I'm not gonna see the worst car in the world. But how? Jet, you're a Koenigsegg. And you're a chopper. Oh! Okay, Jet. Don't eat. No. Oh, don't eat. I can't even tell me what to eat. Do I eat? Yeah. Oh, not eat. Good. Oh yeah, Jackson. Yeah. You know Ruby. Why you always talk about Ruby? Does she still be evil like a devil? She still loves you. No, she doesn't. I have her phone number, and she said Ruby wants to say hello. Me? Yes, she wants you to say hello. Bruh, I'm not dead, Ruby. No, I said Ruby wants it to say hello. I dumb. No. Yes, you are. Dumb. Chris. Dumb. What? Blackhead. Govalla. Oh, I'm not Blackhead. Govalla. Oh, Govalla. There we go. I'm not Govalla. 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 What I said. I think this guy's look great. Good. What? Wait. Govalla. Shut up. Whoa. She's Jackson. Gorilla. I'm not a gorilla. Guess what? Well, I went to Ruby and just in some ago. I actually told her. What should I say? Yeah, I actually told Ruby. I actually said that Ruby's old. I said that Ruby's stupid. You said that Ruby's stupid, yeah. And she got so mad. Yeah, you don't want to make her mad. Why? The more you make her mad, the more she gets furious. What do you mean? She's not furious. Yes, I don't know. But how? Wait, so Ruby's evil? Yeah, she's... Bruh, do you know what we heard? Oh yeah, Ruby is evil. I want to kiss her, but she said no. You need to apologize to her. If you don't apologize to her, she will never talk to you ever. I am gonna apologize to her. Gee, don't tell me. What I said, no go. Okay, gee. And you said that Ruby's a weird. I didn't say Ruby's a weird. She's stupid. That's right, stupid Jackson. I'm not stupid. Oh, stupid Jet. Shut up. You guys made me do it. Okay, Jet, you can shut up. No. Now, who's hosting? Jackson's turn. Come on, Jackson Storm. Yes, Jackson Storm is back on the game. But Jackson Storm has peed himself. Shut up. I don't pee myself. It's you. Everyone said that you dumb. Shut up. I'm dumb. You're the dumbest one alive. Everyone knows that you're the dumbest one alive. I'm not the dumbest one alive. You think I'm dumb? It's fine. Plus you want, yeah? Ruby don't like you now. No, she do. No, she said she doesn't like you now. Why? I don't know. Maybe text her. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Maybe because I was... Bro, what did I do to her? She's calm with me, and now she blamed it on me for nothing. I don't know. Nah, something is wrong with her. Maybe her dead brains are dead. No, it's not that. It's just because I don't know why. She just blames it on me. And I don't know what happened. I know why. What? Maybe you didn't hang out with her. That's why she doesn't like you now. Or it could be because you didn't date with her. You just date with her. Yeah, I'm trying to get married, but then she got married by someone else. Oh, that's why. It could be that. It could be this stupid man or someone else just marrying her. That can't be. I'm dead with her. Who, you date with Ruby? Yeah, I literally date with Ruby, and then someone got married with Ruby. No, that is false. It's a false lie. It's a dud, maybe. That's it. Whoever dates with Ruby will have to get a smack. A what? A smack. Like this. Let me see. What? Jackson, no. You just deserve like this. That's what I literally said. You just said want her. I don't say want her. And you said that Ruby's who? You said that Ruby's evil. Yeah, she's evil like a devil. But you know Jokey's girlfriend. Oh yeah, Ivy. Yeah, we didn't met her. She's a devil. Yeah, she's a devil. I don't know why. I haven't met her before. And then when you start to like her or be friends with, or you meet her, she's just so beautiful. Yeah. But I haven't met Daisy yet. Who? Tall beauty girl. Yeah. I did met her one time. Or I met Ivy. I don't know. I haven't met them. No! Ah, Jackson. Unlucky. Oh, it's okay, mate. It's all about school. Kind of a terrible one, but it's still right. Jokey's turn. Come on, Paul. I know what I'm doing. Which is Ivy's boyfriend. Shut up. I don't care about my boyfriend. Oh, wait. That means you don't care about yourself. Oh, shut up. Yeah, don't. Everyone. Yeah. Why? What? Oh. No. Oh. That's what Ruby said. Well, Ruby said that he's a what? No, I was what? This why? What? What's that mean, sister? I'm so gonna be furious. Gosh, shut up. I'm gonna be mad. Oh, yeah. What are you gonna do? Why? Oh. Why? Why? Jaguar, can you shut up? Yeah, Jaguar. What's going on here? Booster. Yes. Jaguar. Jaguar, why you being so rude to you? I'm not irritated at me. You said you're a Superman. I never said that. You won't don't say it ever again. No. Wait, who are you talking about? Ruby, yeah. Oh yes, she loved me. Now when you didn't met her and you'd be her best friend, tell her, no, call her, no, you more, I know what the best thing to do, what, call Ruby on the phone, and just answer, you're beautiful like an angel, I will see you, you'll be loved for me, with a pink heart, and she actually likes it, or a golden heart. Oh, stop you, get dirty heart. I will get dirty heart. But how? Exactly. What? You speak Polish. Oh, Polish. Oh, me Polish. Ah, why Polish? Shut up. Wait. But Jackson, what? You're blackhead, white govalla. Oh yeah, I'm a govalla. But gee, govallers can't tell. Govalla can't remember. Shut up. What? Govalla. Govalla. Oh my goodness. I'm not govalla. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, no. No. Oh, that's a wound. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, but Jackson, if you're a govalla, you speak doubly. Oh my goodness, I speak gobblies. Okay, gobblies, you speak gobblies. For the last time, I don't speak gobblies. Okay, govalla. Who's govalla? Govalla the girl, what girl? Oh, that means call you Jackson. Jackson, shut up. But how? Jackson speaks dumbers. Oh my goodness! I'm not dumb. Maybe Ruby's dumb. What did you say? Did you say that Ruby's dumb? No. Yes, he did. He lied. Don't trust you. Jackson. Yeah. One. Oh, whatever. What's with the papa? Yeah, right. Allah. Oh my goodness. I'm not a ma. Okay. Jackson, yeah? Guess what? What? Wait, but that means Jokey, yeah? Ruby said that you're porn. Okay, and I speak, but Jokey, what? You speak Polish. Oh, I'm not Polish. Yeah, you're poo. That means you speak poo-ish. Shut up. Yeah, shut up. I'm getting everything off the screen. Oh, the screen's so bad. Okay. Hold on a sec. Sorry. We have to get something out of the screen because it's kind of annoying. Then what am I going to say? I forgot. Oh, yes. Jackson. Jokey. You speak... That's why. You always speak Paul. But you're a poo. Poo. Shut up. What poo? Good. Let me speak Polish. For the last time, I'm not Polish. Okay, you speak Polish. I'm not Polish. Oh my goodness. Yeah, to the Polish. Polish. Shut up. I talk about Lottie. Yeah, from Bob the Builder. You're Polish. I'm not. Shut up. Yeah. Bye. Police. Police. Shut up. Bye. One. Wait, but I said what? Come on, you don't leave. Oh, he. That's the first time. Yeah. Oh. No. I'm. Oh wait, it made figures. Oh wait, it's Ari. Oh yeah, Ari. Ari. Oh yeah. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh stop. Oh. What do you say? Ah storm. Why? 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 Ah storm. Shut up. No. Come on, Ari. No, Ari. Wait, arrive. Arrive. Yeah, arrive. More like a phone. Shut up. Hey, gee. My picking off a pawn. Oh my goodness. You're making me laugh. Wait, what is it, Jokey? Since you always call me a pawn, maybe just put on voice chat for the girls, and then Ruby get Ken and Carly. Put it on the voice chat. No, like without camera. I put a camera on. Okay. And then Ruby, Ken, and Carly will laugh. Yeah. What about the other girls, like Roxanne and some girls? Oh yeah, we can add them. Who? Roxanne, Millie, Rhiannon. That's it, ain't it? Marmalade. Oh yeah. Millie's friend. Yes. We can add her. But how? Jackson won. It's a pawn. A pawn. Shut up. Okay, a pawn. What? A laugh. A laugh. Oh wait, it made me think of something. Laugh. Yeah. Come on, laugh. Just laugh. Yeah. Car. Car. Shut up. Paw. Oh. Yeah. Car. Stop coughing. Yeah. Car. Right. Car. Right. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna do voice chat and say, Irene. Oh wait, Irene. No, it's Irene. So it's alright. Yeah, alright. I'm not alright. What? Apologies. Shut up. What apologies? Yeah. Please. Right, make it poo. Boy. Boy. But how? Cover. Shut up. Wait, we need to think of. So when you chat, when you call with Ruby, put on voice chat. If she's that beautiful, just say you're beautiful like an angel and she'll love you. And just kiss her. If you kiss on the phone with her, I'm actually gonna be like, ew, that smells. That's why. But how? Jackson, what? You're a govalla. Okay, and don't speak gobbly. Oh no! Ah, jokey. Shut up. Sorry, jeez. Not bad. But it's close to 1 million. Yeah. Okay, next. Who's next? Jot. Come on, Jot. Don't just jot down the world. Yeah, I know. I know what to do, Jackson. If Ruby doesn't like you, just say, hi, Ruby. Just call her and apologize, man, and say that you're beautiful, and she'll actually like it. Oh. Or you could just kiss her. But if she doesn't want you to get kissed, then don't kiss. Why? She doesn't like getting kissed. That's bad. Yeah. Jackson, yeah, I've been to Charing Cross. What? You never Charing Cross, you never GU line Charing Cross. Oh, the abandoned station at Charing Cross, yeah. Does Ruby go there? Yeah, she always goes there a lot of times. And my second time. First time I saw Ruby, Ken and Carly, they're all just blaming on me for nothing. Why? I don't know. Why didn't you ask them? Oh, I know why. Well, it could be because but Ruby likes you. Yeah. No, you're friends with her. So you should make like compliments and some stuff. If you make a compliment about her, she'll laugh it. But if you make bad compliments, she doesn't like it. And she's gonna say that swear word. Oh, like this. F-U-C-K off. Like F off. Oh, yeah. Don't say she's beautiful and then she'll actually swear so. I don't know. But in any case, if you see Ruby, then just say hi to her. But if she needs you, just say yes. Yes, Ruby, what do you want? You need something? You can just call me. Okay, my dear? You don't call my dear. No. Oh, yeah, my paw. Oh, my paw. Jokey, stop being the fat lightning. Stop being the fat lightning. Oh, yeah. Jokey, yeah. Ruby said that you're the widest person ever. What? Yeah. You're wide. She's Jokey. Be wide. Shut up. No. Oh, tell you. You're so. Why? A wide gorilla. Oh, I'm not wide. It's why you're wide as everyone. Yeah, why? I'm a wide. Yeah, wide. Shut up. Why? It's why. You have the widest butt from ever. Ew, and everyone laughs at you. So if I meet her at Charing Cross, put some music about what she likes. She likes Shine Bright Like a Diamond, so you should put that song and she'll actually love it. Oh, is she beautiful? Of course she is. Dumb. I wish if I see her. But yeah, don't you know you're a gamer? Oh yeah. Oh wait, but it doesn't say smiling comment anymore. What? What does it says now? It says H97. So it's. Oh jeez, what? It's a grumpy person. Like Jackson P. What? H97. Oh, grumpy bopper. Yeah, right. Laugh. Yeah. Laugh. Yeah. Which one? Okay, don't laugh. So wait, what are you gonna say about Ruby again? What about Rhiannon? Rhiannon, yeah, Rhiannon, not Rihanna, not Rihanna. It's Rhiannon. R-H-I-A-N-N. No. Sorry, I just need to spit out my some stuff. Spat out words and just make it better. Okay. R-H-I-A-N-N-O-N. Rhiannon. My best girl ever. No, she's actually quite calm. I'm not gonna lie. How is Rhiannon so better? Wait, does Rhiannon and Ruby talk to each other? Of course they do. Dumb. No. Dumb. Oh my god. Yes. Wait. How? You're govalla. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna. It's what? So who didn't got a turn? Car, Jackson, Umon, and who? And you and Jeff. You guys. No, Jeff got his third luckiest, and now Umon, Jackson, Car, and Jill and Jetlock. Oh, that's lucky. Just youthful because we can't do it that late. Yeah, that's lucky. Oh, darn it, mate. Yep. Oh, why is it so quiet? I don't know. Should we just stop? Yeah. Die. I'm not gonna die here, but I can do this, and then... Oh, we're back in the game. Oh, wait. We can do something else. Hold on for a sec. Hello. We're back with you, boy. It's Gisela. Why you always come to me? I can come to someone else. Okay, you all to be shy. Shut. Okay. Gisela, what? Have you ever met Ruby before? Ruby, yeah. Of course, I dumb. Oh yeah. I like to date with Ruby because she's my fave. I mean, I can't date with her, but I'm friends with her. How about Kian? I do like Kian and Carly. And some girls. I mean, you don't have to know because you know I'm the best friend ever. Everyone likes me the most. But how? You're sad. Oh, I have to. Don't want to do. I'm Kelly. Why? It's not December. Yeah! What happened? This black way comes ugly Ruby. Stop! Why have to tell me? Oh, you. Why? Are you? What? You? Get away! I hate this medical. Yeah, you. Why? Oh, why? Gee, this guy's a picture. What are you telling me? Nothing. Gee, don't be grumpy, you know. Oh! I'm telling. Oh, he's gonna tell. H97, the U5 version. Yeah! What happened? Justice Storm's being rude. Justice Storm, what I said. Please, just beg. I beg you. I beg you to stop doing it. Fine. Finally. So you. What is that in my brain? Ew! I hate white fish ever. Shut up. Don't know why. It's what white ever. Gee. Why? Shut up. Hello. What? Ew. What's Mr. Whitehead here? Shut up. Why? Okay, gee, don't be grumpy. At least you come here for the U59. Now, what happened? By any chance, do you know Ruby? Who's Ruby? Maybe she could be H97, hasn't it, boy? What? Ew! Sorry, I'm all grumpy. Oh, I'm grumpy. I'm very angry. Gee, that's why you're the angry person alive. Get up! Ew. Down. Oh, don't be so rude. Yeah, don't be so rude. Shut up. Ew, what's a fat person here? Shut up. Fat. Oh, hey, I died. Oh, hey, sorry about this, Mr. Gisela. Finally. Now, what are you going to tell about Ruby, Ken, Carly? Yeah. Wait, by chance, I've been distracted. But I'm burning, are you dumb? Oh yeah. Maybe you have to pray. Shut up. Sorry. No. Hit me. Or, G Jackson. Be happy to get her. Ew, get away. Not happy people. I'm not happy. Ew! Butt smell. Oh! No. Oh! Jackson. What? You do realize that Ruby's actually gonna kill you. How'd you know Ruby? Bruh, I actually know her. Do I? Are you dumb? Oh yeah. Jackson, you might need to think, because Ruby is quite of a nice girl. But sometimes when you just don't talk to her, and she thinks that you made weird behavior. What? Why am I doing weird behavior? Bruh, you always make weird behavior. But she likes me. What? How could she? Wait, what? Ruby likes me as well. Wait, what? So she likes you, Jokey, more than Jackson. Jackson, you're so unlucky. I don't know why they don't like you. Oh no. Maybe because it's streak bomb. I think they like me because I'm older and better. Yeah. I kind of agree. How old are you? I'm 28. I'm very old. That's why Ruby likes you more. I thought they're gonna like me, but Kayan's still friends with me. Yeah, Kayan. We forgot about Kayan and Carly. And Lily and Ivy and Daisy. Oh yeah. Which is Ruby's friends. Aww. Okay. I'm so curious. What are you curious about, Ruby? Bro, why is everyone talking about Ruby now? You see that here? She's my best girl ever. Oh, yeah, whatever. I don't care. Just don't care about me. Oh, no! Jackson, just calm down like me. Wait, Jackson, you never talk. Yeah, because I'm always calm. So is Jeff. But just you more and Jokey, Jet, and Jack know me. Why not Jet no calm? I hate Jackson a lot. Why? You always don't let her. Yeah. And you're the captain. Why can't Jokey be the captain next? Or Jet. Yeah, why can't I be the captain? I don't like Jackson as captain. Yeah, he always says it. Oh, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh. Wow. You good, you boy. I get so fuming. Oh, sorry to hit you, Jet. Yeah. Aim. Sorry, Jet. She's scared. I will. I like you. Oh, sorry, no. How are you so strong? Because I'm the strongest person alive. Everyone knows that. You boy, you're so strong. If you're strong, no, Ruby's so hot. What do you mean? Hot means beautiful or something. Yeah, I kind of agree with you. She's so hot. What, as in hot weather? Stubborn. Don't you? Ew! Get away! Ew! She's just get launched. Shut up! I get launched. Okay, well, we're supposed to say yes. Ruby's actually so hot. Yeah, and she's. Wait, guy. Yeah, have you been to Victoria? What, a Victoria line? Oh wait. Oh, storm up Victoria line. Woo. Don't laugh. But Piccadilly line. Yeah. Wait, you guys miss it. So, There's choppers. Ow! Oh! Don't even. Stop. Oh, wait, Jackson. What? You know Victoria? Oh yeah, on the Victoria line. No, it's actually quite different. Yeah, Victoria, it's a girl. And I mean, you're Victoria. I think Victoria has girls. Oh my goodness, I'm not girl. I actually call you Jackson now. Joker. Joker now. Oh, dog. Wait, but have you been to Bond Street? What, Bond Street? Yeah. Oh yeah, with the Bond. Ah, jeez. Not this name there. I like James boy. Be that, my Jackson. Ew, Jackson. I mean Michael Jackson. Shut up. Not Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, can you shut up? Oh, no. Yeah, I thought like, no, Jackson. Yeah. That's like weird voice again, because Ruby doesn't like it. Oh yeah. You only make the girls uncomfortable. Why does it always blip? Why do I don't know. They just don't like you now. And you just stand in a weird spot, weird behavior and some stuff. I don't know why. I don't be weird, but weird is what you're weird. Shut up, weird. Oh, I'm weird. You be weird. Shut up. Jackson, what? Remember the other time? Oh yeah, that he's in the lorry. Who is that? Bin the lorry. Oh, gonna have been the lorry. That's what. Bin the lorry. Oh, bin lorry. Get bin lorry. Shut up. I'm a bin lorry. I wanna go up. Wait, Village Underground. What are you talking about? Village Underground. Wait, do you know what Village Underground is? What? Village Underground? Yeah. You know the 1983 stock? Oh yeah. That's on the Village Underground. I don't get it. I wish if I got Shoreditch. But Jackson, what? You could actually take 47. 47? Yeah, you could take 47. Yes. I can take 47 now. 47 to Shoreditch. Where's Shoreditch? Bro. 47 goes to Shoreditch. It's on the upper. Where? You know, it's on the north of, River Thames. Oh, the north of River Thames? Yeah. Thanks. I can go to Shoreditch, so. I want to see Village Underground right now. Yeah. As the Waterloo City now has a new extension between to go to Shoreditch or New Cross Gate. Wait, we could actually take Waterloo City line. Yeah. We can also get is what? What one? What? I'm thinking, no, if the Waterloo City line goes to Woolwich, that would be so promising. Yeah. You can take the Waterloo City line from Woolwich to Bank. And get a Bank to Holborn. Yeah. I wonder what 47 will look like. Oh, you know the route, London bus is 47? Oh yeah, route 47 only. Is it really good? Yeah. Oh yeah! What? No, this is actually a lie. What? Here's a lie. No, here's the truth. What? It's a new route. What new route? Yeah, what's the new route in London? The route 439. 439? Where? Why? Bro, just stop shouting. Yeah, Jack. Don't shout. Shut your mouth. That's okay, where's it go? Why tell yourself? Why tell yourself? Yes. To I forgot. I forgot. Duh. Sorry. Okay, I got it. Go to why tell yourself and Wadden. Wadden? Where's Wadden? Oh, I'm not Wadden. Wadden. Shut up. I don't even know Route 439 clock. But what type of bus? Electric bus. Flip. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. That's really nice. Is it really good? That's only the newest route. What about 435? But there is 435. What about 458? I don't know. What about 409 or 420? Yeah. Or 480. Oh yeah, we've got to go up there. What about 481? 481 goes to Kingston. Oh, Kingston. And what else? I don't know. But then, we have 481. How about 482? 482. Heathrow to Southall. Southall. You know where the Route 95 goes? Oh yeah, 95. Southall Town. Okay. What about 483? Okay, Jackson, can you shut up? I know the Route 484. I've been in one. I've been in the Route 484. Lewisham to Camberwell. How did you know? I've been in it as well. I've been with you. Oh yeah, you've been with me together. Oh yeah, you did went to 484. There was so much traffic. Oh yeah. Where? I don't know, but it was like in Lewisham or maybe in Camberwell. Maybe Camberwell. No, Camberwell is so busy. Yeah. Well, wish we go to Peckham. Why? I don't know, just for fun. Yeah. Well, I remember we went with Ruby as well. We had Ruby, Ken, and Corey. We went on the Route 484 to Camberwell. Why? I don't know. Wait, Curtis took 37. Oh, no. So we waited for Ruby, Ken, Collect Bridge Pop. Got 53. Then we took the 177 to Peckham. Get the 37 from Peckham to Clapham Common. Why Clapham Common? Just Tottenham. Oh, why look at that? Yes. Or you Jackson, don't lie. Shut up, I don't lie. Bro, we forget about Ruby as well. Yes. We went to Clapham Common and guess what Ruby said? No, why? Oh yeah! Yes, there's one. What is it? You know the Route 124? Oh yeah, to Eltham. Eltham and Catford. Yes. That is a big sigh of relief. What? What's the big sigh of relief? Electric bus. No. Are you joking? No. So wait, what is it? It's, you know the metro cities? Oh yeah, on the Route 339. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Metro cities. 339 to San. Oh yeah, 339 to Bye. You're legit. Bye. All right, units happy. Shut. Oh yeah, but the interior is pretty shit. What's the interior look like? The interior, you know the stagecoach? They have 3 types. They have the original yellow and the orange type, the new green type, the greenery, and you know what the HCT group looks like? Oh yeah, that is turned to stagecoach. No, the stagecoach. No, from Route 124, they have the red livery design on the interior, and it's pretty bad. Well, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same as the HCT group. Oh man, and it's really bad, isn't it? Yeah. I wanna go. I wanna see what 124 looks like. But why on the Route 124, not anyone else? I don't know. That's not fair. Hope it happens on 386. No, I hope the 386 is like the invite 200 EV. Oh yeah, hope it's like that. Hopefully. What other buses are still here? Trying to think. The kite electroliners are still here, but they're still not being used. I don't know why. I think that's it. Yeah. Oh yeah, yes, yes. And the movie was like, why did you went to Clapham Common? I think it's Jackson said. I said, no, I didn't. Don't blame you. And Ruby said, shut up, I will blame on you. I thought, oh my goodness. But I got a better idea. What if we take the Northern Line? The Northern Line in Clapham is pretty bad. What? The two, the perturbing platforms of Clapham. Yeah? Clapham North and Clapham Common are both island platforms, narrow. Oh yeah? Just like us. I'm narrow, so is Jot, so is Jetlocker and Jackson Stormlocker. What are you talking about? The perturbing platforms in Clapham? Oh yeah? There's only two stations that is very, very narrow. Oh. Clapham North and Clapham Common. Clapham Common's like a straight line, and Clapham North like little of a turn. Only Clapham South is original. Yeah. Oh yes. Because that's why I'm narrow, but Jackson's wide. Oh no! Ew! Get away! Wide. Yeah, wide. I'm not wide. Ew! I don't like wide people. I'm wide. What smile? Guys, just stop fighting. Fine, jeez. Wish my date with Ruby. Does she have thick eyelashes? Yes, she does. And she's actually, if you hug her or kiss her, she will love it. Yeah, I guess so. Wait. Gisela. What do you want? I'm here for a sec. What do you want? Did you know the Route 439 in London? No. Why do you have to tell? That's you. Shut up. Guys, you're talking too much. I'm getting ahead of what you want. Wait, 439? Yeah. Wow. It's a new route. What the? Oh yeah! Remember on Route 301 and 335? Oh yeah. I didn't know. Do you like... Oh yeah, Ruby's such a beautiful angel. Angel Common. Common! Not you yet. Oh, no. Oh, I'm not Common. Okay, Common. Shut. I'm down. Okay, Dummy. Shut up, Dummy. This one. Dummy. I'm not Dummy. Good. Dumb. What else? Have you been to Finsbury Park? No. Finsbury Park. I haven't been there. Oh yeah, on the U-Bahn. No. In the U-Bahn, but in U-Bahn Berlin, U2. No. There's actually one route, one line, which is on the elevated service. What? The elevated U-Bahn line U1. Just U1. Yes. And maybe on the U3, But no, it's in the forested boreal area. I don't know where it's gone. Cromelanca, yeah. Wow. But only U19 is Waskostrasse, the glazed red. You know where? Oh yeah. Scaleless tour, Kotbasa tour, Halsus tour, Mockenbrocky. Bro, you know what? You know Halsus tour? Oh yeah. That's what U6 has. Oh yeah, U6 goes to Halsus tour. U7 goes to Mockenbrocky. U8 goes to Kotbasa tour. That's very lucky. Yeah. What about glazed red? Just U1, U3, and U12 on the top hand corner when it goes down to the apartment building, and U2 is on the other side. And when you see, oh yeah, round up for the U-board. On, ew, ew, stop smiling. Oh my goodness, just stop. Hey, you're always gonna put out my thing. Just stop. Wait, what if I kiss Ruby? No, you can't kiss her. You want to date with her. Yeah. Stop. Sorry. What now? Have you been on Norlandor Parks? Where the Artlands Crisis? No. You know what I'm talking about? You know this brown. Oh yes. April 92. What you want? Oh yeah, it goes to Artlands Crisis. Ew, I don't like your perfume smell. Me. Say it again. Let's try it. Ew, smell. Bro, ew, get away. Smell. Ooh. Twice every time you just smell. Do I smell? Shut up, smell. I just smell your head. I'm not smelling your head. Yes, you are. You smell. Oh my goodness. What do I say about? Yes, she's beautiful. Now, Ruby is beautiful devil. Why would you say that? You know why. Ruby is beautiful, but Ruby's evil, like a devil. Don't you think she's evil? And don't you think you kind of not really weird? Plus, you're kind of a bad car. Shut up. When you have eyes, you'll be very fast. But with this, it's up. Yes, yeah, what you want? Nothing, I'm just thinking. Stop smiling! I don't smile! I'm gonna wait you. Just a smile. Smile! Oh! She's chatting. Yes, govalla. Govalla always say that. Shut up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Wait, where's he? Oh yeah, you three. Cromelanca. What do you want? You want to fight? No. Shut up. Fine. You better come near. Why? You smell. I smell. Wait, why are you so flattish? You have to know. Yeah, Jackson, you don't have to know. Shut up. I don't have to know. Yeah. Now, what were you going to say again? Why are you so creepy? Why do you have to know? Oh! Oh, don't know what to. Oh, you tell me what to do. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's sexy. Be dumb. Yeah. What do you want? You want to fight? No. Stop me like this. Alright. Oh! Hey! Okay, you'll see. Wait. Nothing, but just good love. Sure. Okay, we're here for this A371 person. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Just give a favorite because you're my favorite, Ruby. Ruby's my favorite. Shut up, she's not my favorite. Yes, she is. But how? You're dumb. Yeah, you're dumb. Shut up. Don't. Fine. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to say that A371's the best, you can say that. If he's not, then he's worse. Did you know? Did you not recognize? I'm so better. Okay. Please subscribe. I'm begging you. I'm just very, very fast. Like, zoom. But why you always got this? Why you have a clicky, clackety noise? Because I am. I'm on the U3 line. How many characters does the U3 line have? Sometimes 4, sometimes 6. Oh, yeah. Because the IK, HK, and Gisela are always 4 cartridge. But for the U4, I'm in the 2 cartridge. And those 3 are on the 4. Oh, yeah. Okay, you get it? Yeah. Good. Now, please, please, give a like. Give a smash up on. Click the notification bell if you like it. And subscribe. I don't know how many subscribers we've got. So, see you later, my girl Ruby. Who's Ruby? She's my girl. No, girl? Why? I date with her. Okay. See you later. I don't know about Ruby, but hopefully Ruby's alright. Yeah, I hope so.